Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna do a coupon insert preview for the coming Sunday insert, December 6. So I ordered my coupon to J Family Facebook page. So if you want to order a coupon, please follow them in their Facebook page, and they ship their coupon through FedEx. So it's a fast shipping, and I ordered mine Monday and it arrived yesterday. It's like 3 days. But I'm not able to make a preview because I was in the hospital yesterday. So after my appointment in the cancer clinic, I took some rest. But today I'm gonna show it to you guys what's inside the RetailMeNot and Smart Sort insert. So the RetailMeNot, there is $3 off for any 2 Garnier Fructose shampoo and conditioner. And here is $1.50 off for any Tom's Natural 56 count or larger, expired December 20. And the other one is 75 cents and it will expire January 5, 2021. So it's a long duration. And for the chocolate, there's $1 off for this brand of chocolate, expired January 31. And the other one is $1 off, same also January 31 of 2021. And in this part, $4 off for Schwarzkopf or Got to Be hair color product. And it will expire January 3, 2021. So it's a long duration also. And then 50 cents for Hellmann's Real Mayonnaise, expired December 19 of 2020. And here, $1.50 off of any one Dove Advanced Care or Clinical Antiperspirant product. And it's a limit of 2 and it will expire December 19. And Dove Men is $1.50 off and it's a limit of 2 also. And the expiration is December 19. So we have 2 weeks to use. In the other part, it's Dove. $2 off any one Dove Amplified Texture. And it's a limit of 2 identical coupon and it will expire December 19. And then we got also $4 off any 2 Dove hair care product. Limit of 2 and it will expire December 19 also. $2 off any Dove Men hair care product. So it's a limit of 2 also and it will expire December 19. And then there is $5 off any 2 Shea Moisture product. So it will expire December 19. And it's a limit of 2 also. $2 off any Axe hairstyling product. It's a limit of 2 also and it will expire December 19. So 2 weeks off. And then we have also $5 on any one Nexus product. So it excludes the 5.1 ounce and the travel size. And it will expire December 19. In CVS, it's spend 20 and get $5 extra bucks reward. In Walgreens, it's spend 20 and get $10 Walgreens cash reward. And then there is $5 off any 2 Love Beauty and Planet. And it's a limit of 2. And the expiration is December 19. The other part, so this is my favorite, the buy one get one. So buy any one Axe personal wash product and get any one Axe personal wash product. So it's value $5.99 expire December 19. And there is fetch points also that available. So the Axe spray is buy one any Axe stick or spray product and get one any Axe stick or spray product free. And its value also for $5.99 and it will expire December 19. And then it's buy one get one also for Degree Women dry spray and get any Degree Men dry spray. Value is $6. Expiration is December 19. And then the Suave is $1 off and it's a limit of 2. So the expiration is December 19. And then the Suave body wash is $1 off. It's limit of 2 coupon. So the expiration is December 19 also. So we don't get a Suave shampoo coupon. And then $2 off any 2 Suave hand sanitizer 8 ounce or larger. And it's a limit of 2 also. And then the $5 off any 2 Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. And December 19 is the expiration of the coupon. And CVS have a nice deal in Tresemme this week. And in the other side, it's $2 off any Purina cat food. The other one is $3 off for 12 or larger bag. And in the other part, so in the last part is the Acme coupon. So the coupon is, it came from New Jersey, so it might be different to the coupons that you will get this Sunday. So let's go to the Smart Source coupon. The Smart Source is 50 cents for any Colgate Kids toothpaste. And the expiration is December 19 also. 50 cents for any Colgate Kids toothbrush. So you can use 4 identical coupon. And then 50 cents for any kids mouthwash. Expiration is December 19. And I'm hoping next time that they will include the kids mouthwash in the deal, because I have not purchased any kids mouthwash in CVS or Walgreens. So the CoverGirl have $3 off for face products. So it will expire January 2 of 2021. And then $3 off CoverGirl eye product, same expiration. And $2 off CoverGirl lip product. So this is limit of 1, but the store accept 2 coupon in our area. And then $2 off any 1 package of Poise product. So 14 to 26 count is not is excluded. Sorry for that. And there is $2 off also for Depend 8 count or larger. But there is printable coupon also in coupon.com for 4 count for Depend silhouette pads. And then $5 off for this multi-purpose disinfecting solution. It's 10 ounce. And the expiration is January 2021. And the other one for 20 ounce is $7, so it's a high value coupon. And then the Blink have $3 off. This one is Fierce lubricating eye drop Blink gel. And the other one is Blink Contacts. And there is an IVC coupon also in Walgreens. So it's a nice if we will pair it with IVC, so that our out-of-pocket is lower. And then there is $1 off for any 4 single box of Kleenex. So I received 2 of 6 Kleenex CRT in CVS. So I'm hoping that they have stock this Sunday. Here is more on fragrance. So $3.50 for Nautica when you spend $9.89. Then $4 off when you spend $9.89 for Beyonce fragrance. $2.50 for Stetson fragrance. And this one is Adidas. And the other one is CoverGirl fragrance. And there is $1 off for Mercy chocolate. And then the Gold Bond, $1.50 off for any Gold Ultimate products. So this is limit of 1 coupon. And the other one is $3.50 off for any Gold Ultimate Age Defense product. And sometimes there is printable coupon in coupon.com for Gold Bonds. So then $1 off for any 1 bag of Blue Treat. Expiration is January 2. And in the other part, it's Allegra. And this one is $3 off Anichic Hydro or Extreme. And then the refill also is included. So it's a limit of 2. So the expiration is December 26. And then the Skintimate is $3 off also, limit of 2. And December 26 is the expiration. And then this is some vitamins, I think. And then there is $5 off when you buy 3 multi-packs of Ensure. And then in the other part is $1 off for Chobani Coffee Creamer. So from December 5 to December 31 is the expiration. And then 50 cents for Colgate toothpaste, and it's a limit of 4 also. And the expiration is December 19. And then $1.50 for any Colgate adult or kids battery powered toothbrush. And this one is for the magazine, and this one is for a Mucinex product. And that's all for the Smart Source insert. So it might be different to your region, but I'm happy to the coupons that I saw, especially those BOGO coupon. It's very useful. So thank you so much, guys. So don't forget to follow J Family Ramos if you want to order an insert. They are very kind and very accommodating also. So thank you so much and have a blessed day, everyone.